Now we are going to discuss the 10th problem. I think you all are copied the last question, that means 10th question in your notebook or rough book, and then listen to the class. A student has focused the image of a candle flame on a white screen using a concave mirror. So the mirror is concave. The situation is as given below. The length of the flame 1.5 centimeter. Length of the flame means here height of the object. Height of the object h is equal to 1.5 centimeter. It is positive because height of the object is perpendicular to and above the principal axis. Now focal length of the mirror, that is 12. Here focal length f is equal to 12 centimeter, and this is concave mirror, so negative. So focal length f is equal to negative 12 centimeter. Now distance of flame from the mirror, that is object distance. Object distance u is equal to negative 18 centimeter. Object distance always should be negative. Now if the flame is perpendicular to the principal axis of the mirror, then calculate the following. Distance of the image from the mirror. Distance of the image from the mirror means image distance. Image distance v is equal to question mark. Then length of the image. Length of the image means height of the image. H dash is equal to question mark. To find this, we need to calculate magnification. To find height of the image, we need to find magnification. M is equal to question mark. So these three we have to find it out. So first you should find image distance. For that we can use, or we have to use the mirror formula. We know 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So 1 by v, therefore 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Okay, then 1 by f means negative 12 minus 1 by negative 18. So as usual we can take the common term, that is negative sign outside for easy calculation. Then 1 by 12 minus 1 by 18. Okay, so negative of, here LCM is 36. LCM is 36, that means 12 into 3 is 36, 18 into 2 36. So here 3 minus 2, isn't it? So 3 minus 2 is 1. So negative 1 by 36. So therefore V is equal to 36 centimeter. So image distance is negative 36 centimeter. Okay, so image distance is negative 36 centimeter. So now look at the data. Focal length negative 12 and object distance is negative 18. F equal to 12 means R is equal to 24. Object is at 18 means between 12 and 24. So that means between C and F. So image should form beyond C. So that means it should be greater than 24. So now you got 36. So this is the right answer. Okay. Now we should find magnification. To forget the height of the image, we should find magnification. Magnification M is equal to negative V by U, that is equal to H dash by H. Okay, so that is equal to negative of negative 36 divided by object distance negative 18. Okay, so you will get negative 2, and that is the magnification. So here real and inverted 2 times enlarged. Okay, now you have to find H dash by H. So H dash by H is equal to negative 2. So H dash is equal to negative 2 into H, that is equal to negative 2 into 1.5. So that means negative 3 centimeter. Here object height is 1.5, so 2 times enlarged means 3 centimeter. Is it clear? So this is the way of calculating magnification and hence height of the image. Now the next question is, if the distance between the mirror and the frame is reduced to 10 centimeter. Reduced to 10 centimeter means focal length 12 centimeter. Reduced to 10 centimeter means object is between F and P. Isn't it? Then what would be observed on the screen? So anything can be seen on the screen? Will you get anything on the screen? No. When the object between F and P, image will be formed behind the mirror or inside the mirror. Nothing can be seen on the screen, isn't it? So we have to draw the diagram, because the question is draw a ray diagram to justify your answer. So we should draw the diagram by keeping the object between F and P. In that diagram you should mark object distance as 10 centimeter, focal length as 12 centimeter. So clear? Then if you want, we can find the image distance also by using the mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. In that object distance you should substitute as 10 centimeter, negative 10 centimeter. So that also we can look. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. So that is equal to 1 by negative 12 minus 1 by negative 10. So 1 by, here we can take 60 as LCM, and negative also we can take it outside. So when you take the negative outside, what you will get? 1 by 12 minus, here negative take a minus 1 by 10, isn't it? So you will get 60 as LCM. So negative of here 5 minus here 6, isn't it? So 5 minus 6 is equal to negative 1, isn't it? So negative of negative 1 by 60, isn't it? That is equal to positive 1 by 60. Negative become positive. So V is equal to 60 centimeter. That means image formed at a distance of 60 centimeter on the other side. So based on this is between F and P. F and P. So this is for the last question. Okay. So you have to draw the diagram by keeping the object between F and P. Is it clear to you? So I think you copy the question in your notebook, then write this answer. After this you should write the answer of the two questions. What should be observed on the screen? That means nothing can be seen on the screen, because here the object is between F and P. So the image is formed on the right side, that means behind the mirror. So it will be virtually erected and enlarged. Then you have to calculate it. And that means you will get V is equal to 60 centimeter. Then you have to draw the diagram by keeping the object between F and P. Then mark object distance as 10 centimeter and focal length negative 12 centimeter, that means 12 centimeter, and image distance as 60 centimeter on the right side. Is it clear to you? Okay. Thank you.